Guys, since I'm here, I thought I'd make a video on how to put these on. I did not read the instructions, which means I could get this wrong, but I think they're just supposed to be, you're just supposed to be able to poke them in like that. But now, my question there is, if you can just poke them in like that, would they just fly off the second they hit the ground? And that's a definite possibility. So what I'm going to do is what I usually do, which is I grab some of that great super glue, and I will just dump some of the super glue on top, or, you know, because this looks like it's going to come off right there. But yeah, just a little tip for you guys who've never bought a remote control RC plane. One of the first things that happens, and oh boy, you know this one's going to come out. Just get some hot glue or super glue and put it in place so that you don't lose these cool wheels. And the wheels I like.
Likey.